Hey guys, well, something weird happened today. I pinched my Di2 cable for my front shifter. I don't know how. It got trapped up inside of a slot in my head tube and stopped working. And when I pulled it out, it looked like this. So I had to cut this out. The wires are all splayed and split. And now I get to work on this, soldering these together. Pretty simple, but I thought I'd share with you in case anybody was interested in knowing what's inside a Di2 cable. It's a 2-wire system. There's one black wire, one red wire. So this actually should be fairly simple.
Bicycle, bicycle, I want to ride my bicycle, 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 I want to ride my bicycle.
Oh, there it is. Put the wires together. Do a little soldering job. Now we'll test it out. So there's a, can't even tell it was broken, right? Let's see if it works. Plug it into the junction box. Make sure you get a nice good seal. Got the snap. And just one. Hey, I can solder. Okay. No problem with the other buttons. What do you know? Okay, well, we'll see how that happens and how long that lasts. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye. Up, down, up, down.